Hi everyone. If the virus and threat protection page is not available on Windows 10 or 11, this video will walk you through how to fix it. We'll go over a few different methods so you can get things working again. And if this helps, consider subscribing for more useful tech guides. To start the first method, right-click on your Start button and select Run. Type in gpedit.msc and hit Enter to open the local group policy editor. Note that if you are using a home edition of Windows, you might see an error. Check the description for a link on how to enable this feature first. Once inside the editor, navigate through Computer Configuration, then Administrative Templates, followed by Windows Components. Scroll down to find Windows Security, and then click on Virus and Threat Protection. Look for the setting labeled Hide Virus and Threat Protection. If it is currently enabled or disabled, double-click it and change it to Not Configured. Then click Apply and OK. To finalize this change, search for CMD in your taskbar, right-click it to run as administrator, and type in gpupdate/force and press Enter. Once the update is complete, go ahead and restart your computer. If the issue persists, the next step is to ensure your system is fully updated. Right-click Start, open Settings, and navigate to Windows Update to check for and install any pending updates. Then, restart your PC. Another effective method involves resetting the security app itself. Search for Windows Security in your taskbar, right-click the app, and select App Settings. Scroll down the page and click on Terminate, followed by Repair, and finally, the Reset button. This will refresh the application's core files without deleting your personal data. You should also check if any third-party antivirus programs, like Avast or McAfee, are overriding Windows Security. Try disabling or temporarily uninstalling these programs to see if the virus and threat protection option reappears. For the final fix, we will use a specific command to clear problematic registry entries. Run the command prompt as an administrator again, paste the following command, and press Enter. You can find this command in the video description. This command safely removes registry blocks that often cause this page to disappear. After running it, close the window and restart your PC one last time. When you reboot and check Windows Security, the virus and threat protection section should be fully restored and accessible. If this video helped you solve the problem, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others facing the same issue. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.